Today, in this video, we're going to learn about the various components in a computer and how they all interact and work with each other and their specific jobs. But first, we have to note the main individual components of a computer. First is the power supply. Second is the motherboard. The third is the CPU, or the central processing unit, and the CPU cooler. Fourth is the GPU, or graphics processing unit. Fifth is RAM, or random access memory, and the sixth is hard drive, or storage. The power supply diverts power to various components in the computer and ensures the converted power is at the right voltage and current so that your computer runs smoothly without overheating. The motherboard is like the brain of a computer. The motherboard provides vital communication to various parts of the computer, like the previously mentioned CPU and RAM. The motherboard also has PCI slots, which are essential for expanding your computer's capabilities by allowing you to add new hardware components that can improve performance and functionality. The CPU interprets instructions from the computer's memory. It processes them and sends signals to other components to execute tasks. The CPU cooler helps with the prevention of overheating for the CPU. The GPU specializes in creating well-running visual content for your screen. The RAM is like short-term memory for the computer brain. RAM is faster than any other form of memory because it allows the CPU to execute instructions more efficiently. The hard drive, unlike the RAM, is a long-term storage for your computer brain. It stores important documents that need permanent storage. As you can see, all these various parts fit together perfectly together, as they should, because these components are vital to your computer running smoothly. You can see the power supply and the hard drive are outside the main motherboard. Meanwhile, the other components we talked about, such as the CPU, CPU cooler, RAM, GPU, and PCI slots, are all located within the main motherboard. No computer in the world can run without these parts, so the more you know about them, the better.